Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna be making a quick recipe. So what I have here is, I went to the grocery store. I didn't feel like cutting anything, so I bought one of these pre-mixed bag salad. This is called sweet kale, and inside of this they have broccoli stem, green cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, and then it comes with a package that has cranberry, and I think this is pumpkin seed, and then also some kind of dressing. I think it's what does it say here? Poppy seed dressing. We're not going to use any of this stuff. Okay, so I'm not in the mood of eating a salad at the moment, and I want something hot. It's kind of cold out here. It's winter in Canada here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the salad into a stir fry. So I'm heating up about a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. To that I'm gonna add chopped scallion and ginger. I'm going for a sort of Asian theme here. You could do all kinds. You could turn this into, gonna add a little water. It's sticking, it's sticking, it's sticking. Whoa, it's popping. Ooh, smells delicious already. Okay. I don't want to add more oil, so that's why I always keep a bottle of water with me. Okay. Here is an all-purpose seasoning. It's got onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, parsley, paprika, probably some ginger. So I'm gonna add the salad mix, the pre-mix. I washed this. It's ready to eat. This bag claim is triple wash, but anything that came from the ground, like any root vegetable, you kind of want to wash just in case that this is the one bag that fell through the process. So any leafy dark green vegetable or cabbage, anything like that, even if it's ready to eat, I still wash mine, or rinse it. I'm not gonna say wash because I don't do like a soak of it. I just sort of rinse it to catch anything they might have missed at the factory. Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle the all-purpose seasoning. You could use any all-purpose seasoning that you have, or even commercial box. I like to make my own because then I know it's ingredients that I like in it, and also I don't have to worry about keeping it shelf stable, so I can pick freshly ground ingredients and then make sure that I don't have to worry about additives in it in order for it to last on the shelf. I'm keeping this one a little bit low fat, so that's why I'm not going to be adding any more oil to this. But if you are following a ketogenic diet, you would want to increase the fat content in your vegetables. In here I have hoisin sauce. Hoisin, might not be pronouncing it right. What this is basically, this is Chinese barbecue sauce. Just gonna use a spoon, a little bit of water to remove the sauce from the spoon. Sticking over here, I'm just gonna deglaze it. Just gonna get a plate. There you have it. 6 minutes. That's how long as this video is, or a little bit more than 6 minutes. Just gonna plate this. So this is basically a 5-minute meal. Could be even less. You could just like slightly wilt the vegetable if you still want some crunch on this. And there you have it. Quick and simple, ready to eat. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.